Why do I have to keep walking? Well, for one's good for the bones. Not my bones. Not my bones at all. It is 7 something in the morning. At this person's house again. And the snow, like, it's packed down with ice. Yeah. Look at my trails from yesterday. Ice. Ice, ice, ice. New trail. See, that's a possum. A possum. Possi. Not sure where you're from. So here are my trails. Actually, we went that way. Went that way. Went that way. My plan is we're going to go up this way again. We had the ice storm, as many of you probably got hit by it. Look at this, the canoe. Ice. Oh yeah, they just got new dogs, so ice. The thing is covered with ice. Crazy. So she said that I could go wherever I wanted, and I thought that was pretty good. Ooh, this is probably slush. Yeah, that's slush. All of this is slush. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Oops. All of it slush. Nice. Ooh. Tracks. Right there. Ooh. What kind of tracks are those? So we went over here yesterday. That's where we saw the deer poop. And this will be the countdown of Ice Storm, part 1 for today. Yeah, I'm really surprised that it didn't hit us as hard as it did way back in like 1980s or 90s something. I think these tracks are new, actually. Yeah, they are. New from last night, actually. So I can tell. And he went this way. And went that way. He kept going that way. God. Freezing out here. Oh, fresh fruit. Sorry about the camera, I just can't hold it very well. Just grab a stick or anything and just poke it. I can find a stick. It's definitely fresh. Oh, nice trails too from it. So definitely fresh, definitely. That is it there. Okay. I'm gonna probably have to cut this video short today. And I'm sure many of you won't mind. God. Maple, and the rest is pine surrounding those 2 trees. So that's probably all we're gonna do today until later on. It is exactly 7 something this morning, and I think we're about done here. And the way this is going is, plus it's pretty cold out. Many of you probably haven't gotten hit, but it's pretty cold. I almost said freezing. Well, I guess it is freezing. It is frozen. This is 4554. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.